Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Shein wholesale. So once you are on the Shein website, so let me open the Shein website. You can find different products that you can buy. So let's suppose I want to buy this. So you simply need to select and you need to buy the maximum quantity that you want to buy so you can get the discount, and basically the product will be cheap for you and you can get the wholesale price. But let me show you here you can see you need to add into the cart. So let me select the size and add into the cart. So now you need to go on to the cart. So let me go on to my cart first. Okay, let me close this. You need to go into the cart and here is the quantity. So maximum we can get 7 quantity, and here you can see that we save $75. But you can get a good discount here once you buy in bulk. So this is the process that you need to follow to buy any item in wholesale from Shein. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.